Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down how AI is reshaping real businesses, not just sci-fi labs. I'm Emily, the data safety and compliance expert who always checks, is this secure and is it legal?
And I'm Lucas, the tech enthusiast who hears AI cuts costs and boosts returns and thinks, wait, AI can save money without telling jokes too? That's impressive.
Today's episode is called Wall Street Meets AI, Barclays' new strategy. Barclays, one of the world's largest banks, says it's stepping up its use of AI to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and ultimately boost returns for shareholders.
Exactly. Barclays isn't just using AI to automate simple tasks. They're rethinking how work gets done across teams. AI tools can handle repetitive processes, speed up analysis, and help staff focus on higher value work instead of paperwork.
From a compliance and risk perspective, this is actually very interesting. Barclays emphasizes that AI will support enhanced decision-making, regulatory reporting, and data quality, but with human oversight at every stage. That's essential in financial services, where errors can be costly.
Right. Imagine tedious tasks like scanning hundreds of reports for anomalies. With AI, that's faster and more consistent, and humans can focus on strategy instead of scanning spreadsheets.
Barclays also notes that this isn't new tech. They've been investing in digital tools for years. AI is now adding an extra layer of speed and accuracy, especially in areas like customer service, fraud detection, and financial forecasting.
And from a business viewpoint, improving accuracy and reducing waste directly affects the bottom line. Less time spent on routine work equals lower costs plus higher returns. It's math everyone likes.
Of course, as always, there's a balance. Data privacy, model governance, and transparency remain top priorities. Barclays makes it clear humans will stay in the loop. Decisions aren't fully automated.
And let's be honest, some humans might breathe a sigh of relief knowing AI isn't taking over everything. We still want someone to answer the phone when we call customer service.
My takeaway is simple. AI in banking is maturing. It's not experimental anymore. It's becoming an integral part of how major institutions run smarter, safer operations.
And my takeaway, this move is about augmentation, not replacement. AI doesn't replace the brain power of experienced bankers. It enhances it.
That's all for this episode of Pente Spotlight. If you found this useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps more listeners discover how AI is shaping everyday business.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time as we explore more stories where technology meets real world with impact.